Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix all videos saying video unavailable. All right, let's begin. If your YouTube videos show a video unavailable error, it is often caused by account or extension issues. One common reason is using an ad blocker, which can interfere with YouTube's system. Disable any ad blocker or similar browser extensions and try refreshing the video. If the issue continues, open any video and click on your profile icon. From there, select Send Feedback. Allow screenshot access, then describe the problem clearly, stating that all videos are showing as unavailable. Submit the feedback to notify YouTube about the issue. This problem is often account related, meaning videos may work when you are signed out or using a different account. You can temporarily switch accounts to continue watching videos while waiting for a fix. After submitting feedback, the issue usually resolves within a few hours to a few days, depending on your account. So that's basically how you can fix all videos saying video unavailable. That's it for this video. Thanks.